I greet you, all the respected viewers. First of all, I welcome you to my Learn with SSA. Today, I am going to tell you about the simple present tense. In a simple present tense, how to construct interrogative and negative interrogative sentences. Already in the last videos, I have told about the constructing of assertive sentences and negative sentences. Today I am going to tell you how the interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences are constructed in a simple present tense. To form interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences, we need nouns or pronouns, helping verbs, auxiliary verbs and main verb 1 or present for. What are nouns? Nouns like persons names, animals names, birds names, things names, places names. Pronouns like I, we, he, she, it, they, you. What are pronouns? Pronouns are used in the place of nouns or instead of nouns. Helping verbs do or does. Negative word not. Main verbs 1 or principal verbs 1 or dictionary verbs 1. Example: go, come, eat, drink, clean, cry, laugh, etc. Now let us learn how to construct interrogative sentences and negative interrogative sentences in a simple present tense by looking at examples. Here, do is the helping verb, I is the pronoun, is used as subject, go is the main verb 1. See the sentence formation. First helping verb, next pronoun or a noun, next main verb 1, last of the sentence question mark should be written. Do I go? Do I go is the interrogative sentence in a simple present tense. Next sentence, do we go? Do they go? Do you go? You singular or plural? Do nouns like teachers. Plural nouns should be used after the helping verb do. Do teachers go? Do mothers go? Do the children go? It is the formation of interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Here, does he go? Before he, she, it singular noun, we use does as the helping verb in formation of interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Does he go? Does he go? Does it go? Does teacher go? It is the formation of interrogative sentence. What is the rule? Interrogative sentence rule. Helping verb, subject, main verb 1 plus question mark, or end of the sentence there should be question mark. See the sentences here. Do I take your pen? Do is the helping verb, I is the subject, take is the main verb 1, next question mark. Your pen is the object. According to the sentence circumstances, we can use objects. Do we go out? Do is the helping verb, we is the subject, go out is the main verb 1 or phrasal verb here. Do you give me your pen? Do not should not be used because it is interrogative, not a negative interrogative. Do they write English? Do Kusha and Lava go to forest? Here Lava and Kusha is the plural noun used as subject in the sentence. Do Kusha and Lava go to forest? Does he read Kannada? Does he speak English? Does it eat food? Does Kusha like the novel? Here singular noun before singular noun, does is used, before plural noun do is used. Next, let us make corrections. Does I go? It is the wrong sentence. Do I go? It is the right answer. Do I go? Do she eat? Wrong. Is, does she eat? It is the right answer. Does she cries? Wrong answer. Does he cry? Do it learns? It is the wrong sentence. Is, here. Does it learn? It is the sentence, interrogative sentences in simple present tense. Now, after learning the construction of interrogative sentences in simple present tense, we go to construct negative interrogative sentences in simple present tense. See the table. Do is the helping verb, negative word, not a verb, it is the word, negative word. Do not I go. In the interrogative sentence, not is not used. Not, negative word is not used in a negative interrogative sentence, but negative interrogative sentence not is used. Do not I go. Do not we go. Do not they go. Do not you go. Do not teachers go. Do not the children go. Here, does not he go. Why we use does here? Here there is a pronoun. Before pronoun he, we use does. Does not he go? Does not she go? Does not it go? Does not singular noun teacher go. It is the formation of negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Let us see the rule. Helping verb plus not plus subject plus main verb 1. At the end of the sentence there should be question mark. Do not I take. Do not I take your pen. Here do not is the long form, short form is don't. Do not I take your pen. Don't I take your pen. Both are right. Do not we go out. Do not you give me your pen. Do not they write English. Do not Kusha and Lava go to forest. Does not here. Doesn't is the short form of does not. Does not he read Kannada? Does not she speak English? Does is the helping verb, not is the negative word, she is the subject or pronoun, speak is the main verb one, English is the object here. Does not she speak Hindi? Does not she speak Tamil? Any language. It is the object. You should use appropriate object in the sentence. Does not it eat food? Does not Kusha like the novel? Next sentences. Do I not take your pen? Here, see this sentence carefully. Here, after do, according to the rule, not should be written, but here not is not written. See this sentence. After the subject not is used. So, is this negative interrogative sentence? Yes, it is negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. We can use after the subject not, negative word not. It is also interrogative negative sentence or a negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Do I not take your pen? Yes, it is right. Does not Kusha is right. Does Kusha not like the novel? It is also right. So, it is the formation of negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. After learning the construction of interrogative and interrogative negative sentences in simple present tense, let us go to make corrections section. Here, does he sing? Is it interrogative negative interrogative sentence? No, it is not should be written here. Not should be. Does not he sing? It is the negative interrogative sentence. If there is no not here, does he sing? It is the interrogative only, not a negative interrogative. Now it is the negative interrogative sentence. Do we learn? Yes, not should be written. Not. Not. Do not we learn? Yes, it is right. Short form, don't we learn? Right answer. Does not he sing? Doesn't he sing? Right answer. Does Ravi teach us? Yes, it is the wrong answer. Not should be written. Next here, teach us? No. Yes should be deleted. Yes should be deleted or not should not be written. Yes. Does not Ravi teach? It is the right answer. It is the negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. Do not Lakshmi reads. It is the wrong sentence because Lakshmi is the singular subject. Here we should does. Does not Lakshmi read. It is the right answer. Yes should be deleted. Yes. So, for I have told about the construction of interrogative sentence and negative interrogative sentence in simple present tense. I hope you have understood correctly. Now I am going to end this video. If you like this video, like, share, comment and do not forget subscribe the video. Thank you.